Information can flow around the world almost instantly thanks to the internet. Think about it. When was the last time you waited for a web page to load for more than 10 seconds? Now think about how long it takes for you to send money from one country to another. The process of exchanging value across the globe is slow, expensive, and unreliable, and it's not just money. This applies to any asset, whether it's stocks, intellectual property, votes, securities, real estate, and much more. Blockchain is the technology that enables value to be exchanged as quickly as information. It is a new network that allows us to decentralize trade, allowing us to do much more of our transactions peer-to-peer directly and lower our need for intermediaries or middlemen such as banks or brokers. Blockchain, in essence, is a network of computers that's constantly updating itself, holding the same history list of transactions. Before any new transactions are added to the list, it gets verified by a network, meaning the transfer of value is validated, permanent, and instant.